Welcome to day 26 of my 0 to 10K on Amazon KDP with Amazon ads. My name is Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's begin. Alright, so we have launched a new book, and I launched it last night. Probably no sales for that yet. Now we're going to see how much we made today and yesterday, and we didn't make anything. Actually got, no, this was there before. Let's see what happened yesterday. Still no sales. Okay, but we got a new book up there. Alright, so we're just gonna have to keep grinding. We got 4 days left. 4 days to make $9,948 and some odd cents. Well, that's fine. Let's see here. Oh, let me click this. I took the webinar for the Amazon ads, but I didn't see it really provide any value. So we're getting some impressions here still, but the spend, it's not spending anything. And these are on automatic ads. So I'm gonna leave this for now. Let's go back here. Let's see how Canada is doing. Canada is still the same. I'm not spending anything, and I'm not going to touch it. I will put my book up in there and see if we get any traction. I got some keywords that I found. So this spiked up yesterday, $2.66, but no sales. Wait, let me change this. Well, it doesn't really matter because you're not selling anything anyways. Yeah, no sales. So a few of these are getting hits, but no sales. 55 cents, 18 cents, that's not bad. So this one, 17 cents, but nothing yet. So you can see here, nothing is changing. So what I'm going to do for those, if this is your first time watching, I'm going to run you through creating a camp, or how I run, or how I have been running campaigns for particular books, or the new, a mix and mash. So I'm going to create a new campaign. So I'm going to do a product. So I go into a new campaign, I click standard, name it, let's just call it stocks. This will be manual. So I put the books in there already, as you can see. So the two books right here. It says out of stock, but I guess it's still uploading. So we're gonna do manual. Wait, let me go back to this just in case, because we're gonna do 20 cents as let's do that. So yeah, so 20 cents, and we're gonna do manual. I don't think that's important, but I'd just rather be safe than sorry. So here it gives you a list of words already that you can throw in there. All you do is click add all, and then it'll throw all the words in there. There's not much, it's just these ones for now. So I will add these. Alright, let me move on. Change your suggested bid to custom. So I'm gonna start at 20 cents. We throw those words in there, so we got 18 words to start. Let me put a stock market one. Stocks manual one. So it's just more so reference for me to know what I'm doing. So here are keywords. You can enter a list or upload a file. So I have a list of keywords. So I got this from Helium 10, based off of one of the books on Amazon, their keywords. So you can take like the first 330 words, but I have like 18 already, so I'm just gonna take 310. 19, 18, I'd say here. And this is pretty much the top searches or keyword searches. So what I'll do is I'll go here, throw them in there, and add the keywords. Because I have 945 added. Let's see if I can add any more. Value swing. So odd. The things you see on this. Let's see if I'll add any more. So here, throw it in there, add keywords. Yeah, so took them. Not do more. So if any of these keywords are clicked, 1,000. Yeah. Alright, negative camp keywords we're not touching at this moment. So I did dynamic bids. I'm going to do down only till we figure out what works for us. Here I'm going to change the name. Oops. Let's go back up here. Copy that. And it's going to start today, and my budget's going to be $5. This off 20 cents. And then all you do is you hit launch campaign, and then you're good to go. Wait for that to load. So they're going to check out the ad and then let me know if they approve it or not. And then it'll pop up into my ads manager thing. So that's pretty much to get the ads up and running. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, I had a spike here in sales, which were like 2 sales, and then that was it. So hopefully we can see this blue line start to pass this orange line. So that brings down your A cost. Your A cost is your the cost you spent on ads. It's ads. What did you say here? Advertising cost of sales. So whatever I'm using here to drive here, but this is higher than this. So we got a lot of work to do. Clicks are still low. We're not getting that many clicks. So I think once we get those clicks up, then we should be in good standing. But what makes people click? That's a whole nother mystery. So that ends today. I believe I said we're on day 25. Tomorrow is today day 26? I think. Hold on. Yes, day 25. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my progress, or the end of my progress of the 0 to 30 day challenge. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 26.